How you doing, Barbara? Gustavo? Christians, how are you all doing today on this? I guess it's Tuesday. I'm not sure if it's Tuesday or Wednesday. In any case, welcome to this live version of the subject matter that I want to talk about today. Now, Brandon, how you doing, my friend? Glad you made it. This was more of an impromptu live session, which I was planning on doing later, but I'm going to have sushi later, so I decided to do it now. So anyway, I'm going to get right to it. So for those of you who have your Bibles, turn to Genesis chapter 6. Genesis chapter 6. And I'm going to read 3 verses, verses 5 through 6, or 4 through 6. And there has been a vast array of believers who hold this notion about angels copulating with women. But let me read the passages first, and then we'll get right to it. So Genesis chapter 6, verses 4 through 6. And this is what it says. There were giants in the earth in those days. And also after that, when the sons of God came in unto the daughters of men, and they bare children to them. And the same became mighty men, which were of old, men of renown. And God saw that the wickedness of man was great in the earth, and that every imagination of the thoughts of his heart was only evil, and that continually. And it repented the Lord that he had made man on earth, and it grieved him at his heart. Now, so here's what I want to point out. There have been a whole lot of people amongst Christian circles who believe that these verses teach that not only that angels had come down to earth, evil angels, and copulated or had sex with women, human women. And as critical as I'd like to be of this situation and this interpretation, I want to be honest and tell you that there are a lot of good Christian people, even scholars, who hold that view, that angels